Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about creating and using temporary tables. Temporary tables. A temporary table is a table that holds data that exists only for the duration of a transaction or session. Data in a temporary table is private to the session, which means that each session can see and modify only its own data. Types: 1. Delete rows. The database truncates the table. Delete all rows after each commit. 1. Preserve rows. The database truncates the table when you terminate the session. This is Oracle SQL Developer worksheet on user DB167. We just want to start this creating a temporary table on commit delete rows. Here we use create global temporary table, then table global temporary table name. After that we use here one commit delete rows statement, and here the subquery select a star from emp. So I just want to copy the table structure from emp. Here the possible records from emp table. So I just want to copy employee ID, first name, last name, and salary column from emp to cart. So first I just want to delete delete values from emp, and now I will populate some records in emp table actually. So I just want to rename the cart with emp. Okay, and then cart emp. After executing to this insert statement, we will have a two records 1 and 2. So I just want to clear the output screen. After executing this snippet, global temporary table created successfully. So if I select from cart, select a store from cart. After executing this one, we can see without any data, but its table structure from emp created successfully. Okay, and now I just want to insert some records into cart table. Insert data into cart. So if I execute this snippet, one in rows inserted, one row inserted, means we have two records in cart table. So I just want to select from cart. So select a star from select a star from cart. After executing, you can see the two records. So now I just want to go SQL Plus. Actually, this is SQL Plus. I just want to log in with DB167 user. Login successful. Now I just want to retrieve I just want to see the table description of cart. Here we can see the cart table, temporary table created successfully, but I just want to check the data in cart table. So there is no records in cart table because the temporary table cart is session specific, so we do not have any chance to get data one session to another. So here the command on commit delete rows. So if I execute a commit statement, we will have a chance to uh, erase or delete all rows from card table. So I just want to write here the commit statement. So commit commit. If I execute this snippet, committed. So if I select there is no records, means on delete, on commit delete rows. This is the um, first condition of on delete commit on commit delete rows temporary table conditions. So now we just want to see creating a temporary table on commit preserve rows. Here, if we commit inserted after inserting data into a temporary table, we will have uh, data in temporary table. So here today's cell from EMP on commit reserve rows. So if I execute this snippet, the table temporary table today cells will be created. Here we can see global temporary table created. Here we can see the two records in employee. So here today's cell table copy from EMP with data also, but in on commit delete rows we just see only table skeleton copied from EMP. This is the difference between on commit delete rows, on commit preserve rows. So if I execute this snippet, we can see possible records. So if I commit, data will be preserved in temporary table today cells. Here we can see two records in today cells table. So in this way we can preserve and delete rows on depending on commit statement. So hope I explained this to form of global temporary table explanation. So if you have any ask, just place your comment in comment box. Hope you enjoy this video.